I'm Dr. Gayathri. I was a consumer myself, so when I got introduced to this product, so my problem was I had complete ACL tear with a meniscal injury as well. So I used to be a dancer back in college, so that's how I acquired that injury, and I was not advised for any surgery because of my size. So the doctor told me, you don't need a surgery, just let it heal by itself. My aim was to get this repaired without a surgery. I did not want to go for a surgery. So that's when I was introduced with Stemregen. So I started consuming Stemregen for my knee. I used to have at least 3 to 4 episodes of dislocation, and I have to be bedridden for at least a month to get back on feet. So after consuming Stemregen for about a year, I saw a very good improvement. Episodes of dislocation reduced, and now I don't have any episodes anymore. So now I can hike. I do hiking as well with my fiance. So that's how I see my improvement in the symptoms.